What's up, Callie? What city we live? It starts with a K. K S Katy, Texas. It starts with a K. K it's Katy, Texas. Katie's a city in Texas. So we're freezing in Texas. The freezing is from France. It's coming from France. The freezing is from France. The freezing from France. That's right. So I'm wondering what is the capital of Mexico. So I'll tell Siri. Hey Siri, what's the capital of Mexico?
Mexico City is the capital of Mexico.
Good job. Thumbs up. That was awesome. That was awesome. I'm so happy. Bye. And bye.